Hey guys, it's Marie Antoinette with Posh Paper Perfection. And are you a lover of die cuts? And are your die cuts just jiggling all around? Do you lose your die cuts like the moment that you start using them with your Big Shot or die cutter? If this is a problem for you and you want to be more organized, keep on watching this video and I'm going to share with you how I created these magnet sheets and help you save a lot of money. Hey guys, welcome to Posh Paper Perfection. My name is Marie Antoinette and welcome to my channel. Okay, so I am a huge fan of die cutting. I love my Big Shot die cutter. Oh my gosh. And what I love most about it is that I take a whole bunch of scrap paper and I make all kinds of things with my die cuts. But see, I've only been a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator since November 2018. And I'm slowly learning things. So if you know anything that could be helpful for me, feel free to comment below, okay? My girlfriend Michelle told me about this really awesome thing that she does with all of her die cut dies. And I was like, I didn't listen to her. I just went to AC Moore and bought magnet sheets, which anyone can do, and anyone can cut up magnet sheets, right? Well, the difference between what I'm going to show you and you going out to AC Moore or your hobby store and buying magnet sheets, I'm going to show you where to get your magnet sheets so much cheaper. Okay, so my girlfriend Michelle said, Marie, you need to go to Lowe's. I was like, why go to Lowe's? She says, they have these things called magnet vent covers. And they are humongous. It only costs you $5.98 and they are so much more economical. Well, I didn't listen to her. I went to AC Moore. I bought these little tiny sheets here. I don't know if you guys can see these sheets. I've actually adhered those. Those are with sticky adhesive side. And I put them on here to organize my die cuts while I'm using my Big Shot. And those were like $10 for 3. And as you can see, they are, I would say about 7 inches by 5 inches, or 5 by 7. You want to dimensionally say it correctly? Well, 3 sheets with adhesive backing for $10, and I use a 55% coupon. Okay, so you guys can do the math. All right. And I just didn't listen to her. Then I went to Lowe's and I saw these and I was like, OMG. Oh my God, why didn't I listen to her like ages ago? Hello. So what I found with these magnetic vent covers, they are cuttable. They are also die cuttable. I don't know if you can see that, but I made this really cute butterfly with the excess of my magnetic sheets. Okay, so I cut this a 5.5 by 6.5 dimensions. Measure envelope and then cut it to that size, okay? Then this doesn't have it. Okay, so why did I do this, okay? I did it because, hear that sliding around? I'm missing some dies because they just like flew everywhere as soon as I opened it up. But now that I have these magnetic sheets, all I have to do is take it out, and they fit too in there, and they all stay in one piece. Isn't that like so great? I mean, look how easy that slides in and out and your magnets stay all in one piece, okay? One area, not flopping around anywhere, because, you know, in all this, everything gets lost. So I need a little bit of sanity. You guys need to get down to Lowe's hardware store or your local hardware store, okay, and pick up these magnetic vent covers. They are 8 inches by 15 inches and come 3 in a pack. Wow. 3 in a pack? 3 in a pack. $5.98? $10. You want to make this adhesible, okay? Like, you know, make a little frame or photo frame, or, you know, some magnets for your mom. I mean, all you have to do is put double-sided backing on it or add some tacky glue. Come on, seriously. How awesome is that? If this was helpful for you, make sure you comment below, because I would love to hear from you. And if you have some ways that you store your die cuts and you would love for me to see your video, please mention your video below, because I don't consider myself the expert on stamping or die cutting. All I can tell you is that I'm a demonstrator. I'm passionate about what I do and what I love, and I love to learn and share it with others. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching my channel.